Hey guys, it's Symphony. So today I'm going to be filming a room tour because our new room is finally done. I don't have a whole lot to say about us moving, but we are back in my mom's house, just in a different room this time. We took my stepbrother's old room, which was basically like a spare room, and it's now our room. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys around. Let's get started. Okay, everywhere is kind of a mess out here right now. But I just wanted to really quickly show that my mom hung 2 of our guitars out in the hallway and it looks so sick. You come up the stairs right there. That is our room. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys in. Here's a quick pan of the room. I'm gonna start just going to the left. So, to the left, we have that box, which is gonna be our new light fixture. We just haven't put it up yet. We got this rug from IKEA. Chris really wanted something like on his side of the bed, so we got that, and we think it kind of matches the room. So then we have this little shelf over here, and it might not be the prettiest thing because our boxes are kind of like overflowing right now, but I'll go into that in a second. These 3 little shelves were already in here. My mom had all of her old like Legos and stuff set up on it, and I just put on that shelf a dead bear that I've had since I was a kid, a new camera that we thrifted, and that rock that my mom got me, another camera, a plant from IKEA. I got that photo at Goodwill, and then that Polaroid is also thrifted. And then I've got this bin right here, which I don't really know what to do with. It's kind of just got random crap in it and a few Depop things that I need to list. And then I've got my old license plate back behind there. I have this clear head that I got from Ross, and then this globe that I got from Earthbound in the mall. And then down here, also, please excuse the mess out there because it is literally like my little brother's room. In these 2 cubes, I have my socks and underwear and then Chris's socks and underwear. And we just have a roll of paper towels for whatever. And then down here in these bins, in this one, I have all of my Depop stuff that I'm selling. And in that one, I have like pajamas and comfy clothes. We've got our trash can back there. And turning to this wall. First of all, Chris got me that from his work. Somebody put it up on the bulletin board and they were like, yeah, we don't want this in here. So he brought it home to me, which was pretty funny. And then I've got some plants in the little vase, not real, from IKEA. And then I have a dream catcher on either side of my bed. Also my one-way sign. Looks great. Down here is my nightstand. I don't know where this lamp is from. Literally still has the tag inside of it. I should probably take that off. Illumination station. That's fucking original. Okay, so I took the tag off. It looks way better, right? So yeah, I don't know where that lamp is from. I had actually given it to my mom just to put in the spare room, and then I realized it actually matches our stuff pretty well, and we don't have any lamps, so this helps out quite a bit. Then I've also got this alarm clock that I've had since high school. That's basically our one and only junk drawer. Not even that junked up either, which I'm really proud of. And then right down here we have a sketch pad and a local like magazine. And then this bin is full of nothing but camera stuff. So that is like this whole corner of the room. So moving on. Our bed. Also at the foot of our bed, I have the same rug from IKEA. This is my favorite rug of all time. I got it for like 30 bucks and it's beautiful and I love it. So our bed. We've got 3 sets of pillows in the back, white, red, and black, and then a black comforter, which we usually have a white comforter, but I decided to change it up and do black in this room because it was already on the bed and the white one gets so fucking dirty so fucking quickly. And my mom actually has a bed skirt on this bed, so I didn't want to do like white and black, you know, so I thought that would be easier to just keep the black. I don't love it and I don't hate it either. I think it works good for this room, but that's about it. I don't think I would have black bedding in like my future room. All 3 of these are from IKEA. And then I've got a heated blanket, which is a tan one, and then that blanket is from IKEA. If you can't tell, I really love IKEA. Moving on to this corner, I've got my heated blanket. Well, it's kind of sticking out right now. But my heated blanket, the cord runs all the way underneath and then plugs in that outlet right there. That's also where we like charge our phones and everything. And then I always just like throw my backpack on my side of the bed. We've got our dresser over here. Super nice. Super freaking nice. Only issue with it is that the bottom drawer is broken. So I don't know how to fix that. Right over here on the side, I've stuffed quite a few little things. The spray bottle is mixed for my hair and also for our plants. And then, yeah, we've got like a photo book, a mirror, and my laptop stuffed between there, and my hair extensions. So, yeah, I mean, it's pretty much hidden from the eye, which makes it really nice. So this is the top of our dresser. That Starbucks cup is not usually there, but I just got it as a gift for my grandma with a $5 gift card, so I haven't used it yet. Over here, we've got a couple of little trinkets. We've got this guy that Chris got from an antique mall. This thing I've had forever. I thrifted it, and I've just got like my crystal necklaces in there right now. And then my sage and the skull planter, our little rock that we found and wrote the date that we found it on right there. Wow, that was so long ago. What the fuck? So anyway, then we have this Coors, which is like a beer company. But we have this Coors bottle that's holding some fake ivy, and then somebody told me what the name of that flower was, and I completely forgot. But I found those in the woods. You guys probably remember it from our couples vlog, maybe? Or like my fall favorites, I think I talked about it. It's literally my favorite thing ever. I think it's so pretty. And then in front of there, we've got some old medicine and this little squirrel that we got from IKEA. He is literally holding a fucking mushroom. Like, how cute is that? And then all this stuff over here is sitting on top of a really, really old first aid kit and an American flag. And then this big guy in the middle is our old Budweiser cassette player. It's supposed to light up, doesn't, but it does actually work. It just needs some new bulbs. So yeah, it's super cool, but I mainly just like the look of it. And then over here, I have these two nail polishes that I've been like somewhat recently using. I've got this thing that holds all of our pens and whatnot. This back here is like our change jar, but I put some flowers in there to make it prettier, and then we also keep our incense back there. And then down here is a jar of rocks. Yep, we had to go through our fucking rocks because we literally had a whole box full of rocks. We scaled it down to this, and we thought it looked really cool in the mason jar. So yeah. We both play guitar, so it was pretty essential to like keep one in our room, and I think it takes up that little corner space really well. This is our whole window situation. Honestly, it's our favorite part of the room. Right in the center, we have our record box, and then like I said, the guitar is on that side, and then our hamper is on that side. And I mean, just look at our windowsill. It's so beautiful. These windows don't open because for whatever reason, like the main ones, when you try to open the bottom ones, the big ones, or the top ones rather, fall down and shatter. So we have to keep them shut at all times. So we decided to make the best use out of that by just decorating everywhere on them. Starting up here, we have this, which is one of Chris's favorites. It says, "A helping hand shows a loving heart." I've had that forever. I thrifted it, and he just really liked it and wanted to keep it. So, moving to the windowsill. Put rocks up here on both windows, and like some bark and everything else. This is actually a geode that we still have not cracked open. On this side, we've got a whole bunch of books, and not a whole bunch, it's like a few books. I think it looks really cool. It also helps keep the curtain back, which is nice. That is a real plant. We've got some rocks down here. Super cool. Super, super cool. Chris stacked the rest of our heart rocks because he loves stacking rocks. These two were his little crystals. Got a fake plant from IKEA. Got some more crystals. Another little piece of that flower that I told you guys I'm like basically obsessed with. Another rock. A real ivy plant. Look how big he's getting. We had this in our old room, which that video is now deleted. But if you remember him, yeah, he's gotten a lot bigger. I'm really proud. And then I have this mirror that my mom gave me to do my makeup in, some more crystals, and another fake plant from IKEA. So yeah. You have this beautiful yellow chair from IKEA. The pillow on it is also from IKEA, and the blanket, I don't know where I got it. I've just had it forever. So over here, we have a plant that's hanging on the shelf, and I usually like to have it to the side like that, but I think it looks really off balance like that. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. I'm having a really hard time like arranging this how I want it to be. Maybe I need to like add more stuff over here or something. I don't know, but I'm kind of just leaving it for now because I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, and then I've got the skull up there, and then moving over here. This wall is actually our closet. Both of these are closet doors. So my closet is kind of a mess, but I think I'll go ahead and show you guys into it anyway. But really quick, on the outside we have this Beatles poster on this side, and then we have our full-length mirror, which I painted gold because I think it kind of matches our room. It's supposed to be hanging on that door, but I ran out of Velcro strips, so I have to go get more. I look like an actual bum. I love this shirt so much because like I love the colors of it, but like it literally has the worst fit ever. I'm wearing it today because I don't know. And then I have the Devil and God mask, which is not what it actually is. It's just a skull mask, but that's why I have it. So let's go into my closet. So I always leave the side open because we have kitty stuff in here. So yeah, this is our closet. Looks like a mess, but it's actually pretty organized. So let's go ahead and go in. So on this side, we have all of our clothes, and it actually goes pretty far back. It's just a pain in the ass to get back there. But yeah. Then we have Kitty's litter box, his food and water in here, which is like so helpful. It saves us so much space in the room. So that's like Kitty's little station under here. It fits right underneath our clothes, which is nice. I don't know why those air ducts are like back there, but our long clothes hang on that side. So yeah, that is that half of the closet, and like I said, I always leave it cracked so that Kitty can kind of like open it himself. Back behind the chair, I also forgot to mention, we have the radiator, and then all of our like mirrors and one of Chris's skateboards that he needs to set up is back there. So on this side, looks like a damn mess, which it is kind of, but it's also not. So Chris has this hook for his jackets. I have this hook for my jackets. We've got these two bins. They're labeled wrong. That one has camera stuff, and that one has film stuff. I just threw my two hats on top. I usually have those hanging on the wall, but I just threw them there to kind of cover up the junk in there. And then we have this bookshelf, and we keep all of our shoes on it. We have a lot of shoes, and we managed to get them all up there. Down here, I just have a mirror, and then we throw our fan down there when we're not using it. So moving on to this corner of the room, we have our record set up again. Yay! So down here, we have all of our artwork that we're selling. And then these two crates are full of records, obviously. Got some records that I'm selling back there, hidden by my uke. And finally, here we are at the record table. So, on top, we kept it really, really minimalistic this time. All we have on the side is our salt lamp, our little Buddha on this mirror that we use for shoots, but we thought it looked cool. And then my old-ass harmonica. It's first act, not even a good one, but Chris has been trying to learn, so yeah. Then we have our record player with our incense burner right in front of it. Then we have our Alexa. How are you today? No answer. Okay. So then we have a fake fern from IKEA, and we've got this pumpkin. We really need to switch out our fall decor since it's the day after Thanksgiving, but maybe I can make that a video to show you guys how we, how we bring in our Christmas decor into the room. So yeah. And then up here we have our cassette shelf. Super, super basic, but I think it looks amazing. Over here we have our American flag. Ow, fuck. God, I hit my leg, my heel, my foot. Ow. Right here we have our American flag. And then Chris just likes to throw his board right there. So yeah, I think that's a really cool spot for it. I don't know, I just really like it there. And then this is our door, and this is the final bit of the room. We have this yellow jacket that I'm selling on Depop. Someone please buy this so I can take this off my door. I have nowhere else to put it. We have the scarf that my mommy made for me for Christmas, early gift, and this Urban Outfitters bag that has all of our like daily hats and our belts in it. And then I've got that macrame thing back there because I really didn't know where else to hang it. So it's just on the door, but it's completely hidden because the yellow jacket's on. I'm really hoping that you guys could not hear me breathing throughout that entire video. You probably could, but that is just the reality of filming on my phone now that has a good camera and a good microphone rather than my old shitty ass like flip out handy cam. So I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And I will see you guys in my next one. Stay safe. Bye.